Spend an afternoon under the stars with the LVW Nature Club. Join your fellow members on a field trip to the Robert J. Novins Planetarium at the Ocean County College. 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. Tuesday, October 1st. See a great presentation called Wonders of the Seasonal Sky. Cost is $9 per person for Nature Club members only. But you may join by paying the $10 annual dues. Sign up at the Nature Club meeting on August 26th or September 23rd. Or you may deposit your check made out to the LVW Nature Club into the club mailbox in Willow Hall. Arrange your own transportation. Why not carpool? For more information, call Avriel at 516-353-0330.